ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் பேக். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம வீடியோவில் 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் எக்கனாமிக்ஸில் யூனிட் 1 மணி சேவிங்ஸ் அண்ட் இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட்ஸ் இந்த யூனிட்டில் இருக்கிற இந்த ரைட் ப்ரீஃப் ஆன்சர்ஸ் இந்த கொஷின்ஸ்க்கான ஆன்சர்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஷின், வாட் ஆர் த டிஸ்அட்வான்டேஜஸ் ஆஃப் பார்ட்டர் சிஸ்டம்? ஆன்சர் ஃபர்ஸ்ட், லேக் ஆஃப் டபுள் கோஇன்சிடென்ஸ் ஆஃப் பாண்ட்ஸ். செகண்ட், காமன் மெஷர் ஆஃப் வேல்யூ. தேர்ட், indivisibility of commodities. Fourth, difficulties of storing wealth. Second question, write about the evolution of money. Evolution of money. இதுக்கு answer, money has evolved through different stages according to the time, place and circumstances. First, commodity money. In the earliest period of human civilization, any commodity that was generally demanded and chosen by common consent was used as money. Example, goods like furs, skins, salt, rice, wheat, utensils, weapons, etc. Such exchange of goods for goods was known as barter exchange. Second, metallic money. With the progress of human civilization, commodity money changed into metallic money. Metals like gold, silver, copper, etc. were used as they could be easily handled. It was the main form of money throughout the major portion of recorded history. Third one, paper money. It was found inconvenient as well as dangerous to carry gold and silver coins from place to place. So, invention of paper money marked a very important stage in the development of money. Paper money is regulated and controlled by Central Bank of the country, Reserve Bank of India. At present, a very large part of money consists mainly of currency notes or paper money issued by the central bank. Fourth, credit money or bank money. Emergence of credit money took place almost side by side with that of paper money. Example, check. The check, known as credit money or bank money, itself is not money, but it performs the same functions of money. Fifth one, near money. The final stage in the evolution of money has been the use of bills of exchange, treasury bill, bonds, debentures, saving certificate, etc. இதெல்லாம் தான் evolution of money. Next question பார்க்கலாம். Third one, what are the functions of money and explain it. Functions of money are classified into primary or main function, secondary function and contingent function. First, primary or main function. The important functions of money performed in very economy are classified under main functions. First, medium of exchange or means of payment. Money is used to buy the goods and services. Second, measure of value. All the values are expressed in terms of money. It is easier to determine the rate of exchange between various type of goods and services. Second one, secondary functions. The three important of secondary functions are, first one, standard of deferred payment. Money helps the future payments too. A borrower borrowing today places himself under an obligation to pay a specified sum of money on some specified future date. Second one, store of value or store of purchasing power. Savings were discouraged under barter system as some commodities are perishable. The introduction of money has helped to save it for future as it is not perishable. Third one, transfer of value or transfer of purchasing power. Money makes the exchange of goods to distant places as well as abroad possible. It was therefore felt necessary to transfer purchasing power from one place to another. Next, contingent functions. Basis of credit: increase productivity of capital, measurement and distribution of national income. இதெல்லாம் தான் வந்து functions of money. Next, fourth one, explain the types of bank deposits. Types of bank deposit வந்து 4 இருக்குது. Student savings account, savings deposit, current account deposit, fixed deposit. ஒவ்வொன்றா பார்க்கலாம். First, student savings account. There are savings account some banks offer specifically for young people enrolled in high school or college, and they main feature more flexible terms such as lower minimum balance requirements. Second one, savings deposit. Savings deposits are opened by customers to save the part of their current income. The customers can withdraw their money from their accounts when they require it. The bank also gives a small amount of interest to the money in the savings deposits. Third one, current account deposit. Current accounts are generally opened by business firms, traders, and public authorities. The current account help in frequent banking transactions as they are repayable on demand. Fourth one, fixed deposit. Fixed deposit na FD அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. Fixed deposits accounts are meant for investors who want their principal to be safe and yield them fixed yields. The fixed deposits are also called as term deposits, as normally they are fixed for specified period. Next question, what are the difference between savings and investment? Comparison of savings and investments. First வந்து basis for comparison. Meaning, savings represent that part of the person's income which is not used for consumption. Investment means investment refers to the process of investing funds in capital asset with a view to generate returns. Next, purpose. Savings are made to fulfill short-term or urgent requirements. Investments is made to provide returns and help in capital formation. In case of risk, savings low or negligible, investment very high. Returns, savings no or less, investments comparatively high. Liquidity, savings highly liquid, investments less liquid. இதுதான் the difference between savings and investments. Next question பார்க்கலாம். What are the effects of black money on economy? Effects of black money on economy. First, dual economy. Second, tax evasion, therefore loss of revenue to government. Third, undermining equity. Fourth, widening gap between the rich and poor. Fifth, lavish consumption spending. Sixth one, distortion of production pattern. Seventh, distribution of scarce resource. Eighth, effects on production. இதோட நமக்கு வந்து இந்த ரைட் ப்ரீஃப் ஆன்சர்ஸில் 6 கொஷின்ஸ் இருக்குது. இந்த கொஷின்ஸ்க்கான ஆன்சர்ஸ் ஃபுல்லாக பார்த்துட்டோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஷின்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். தேங்க்யூ.